Laying hands or planting a kiss on the iconic image to some devotees will somehow suffice or make up for not joining tomorrow's rough and rowdy, though peaceful, hours-long procession of the El Nazareno. So on the second day of this special act of veneration for El Nazareno called the Pahalik, the lines ran long and winding, as Armeli Vel Custodio reports.
From Bulacan, senior citizen Antonia traveled far to join the Pahalik of Poong Jesus Nazareno.
Dahil sa mga himalang nagawa sa akin ng Poong Nazareno. Sa kabuhayan, dati nagtitinda ako sa kalsada. Ngayon po ay sa bahay kahit papano. Kahit palit lang ang kita ko, nakakaraos kami. Napaparal ko yung aking anak at saka sa pagkain.
As early as 7 o'clock last night, Edrelyn was already lining up for the Pahalik. After 15 hours of patiently waiting in the line, she was able to wipe her handkerchief on the cross of the image of Poong Jesus Nazareno.
Usually, lahat naman ng hinihiling ko natutupad. At lalo na nung may problema kami mag-asawa, sa kanya ko nilapit. Lahat yun, dininig niya. Kaya, nung sinama ko ng kapitbahay ko, siguro nga, siya yung laging sagot sa mga problema ko. Pero every Friday, nagsisimba naman ako sa kanya. Pero malaking kaluwagan kapag lumalapit ka sa kanya. Lahat ng hilingin, lahat ng problema mo, natutupad.
Despite having difficulties walking, even those in wheelchairs, some devotees still lined up for the Pahalik. The Marshals, Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA, and the Philippine National Police or PNP personnel assisted them. First aid stations and ambulance are also on standby around Quirino Grandstand. Despite thousands of devotees lining up, the flow of the line at Quirino Grandstand remains organized. As of 6 p.m., around 30,600 devotees are lining up for the Pahalik based on the National Capital Region Police Office or NCRPO data.
Okay po yung security preparations natin. Naka-full blast na po tayo. Naka 60% deployment na tayo sa ating itinalagang mga kapulisan natin na madi-deploy. Full deployment po tayo mamayang hapon. Magkakaroon po tayo ng full deployment na.
Some police officers who are also devotees will join the procession tomorrow.
Nirequest sila na kung pwede silang sumali, di pinayagan natin. On the one condition na tumulong sila sa kaayusan. The flow ng procession, it's maayos. Yung mga police po na sasali po sa procession bukas, ay nakapaa po sila. Hindi po tayo papayag na may sapatos or nakatsinelas sila. Kung ano po yung ginagawa ng mga deboto na kasali sa procession, dapat yun po ang gawin nila.
Police officers are also being discouraged from carrying firearms except for tactical units such as the Special Action Force and SWAT. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.